Hey guys, Cookie Baller here, and for the past 2 days, um, my cat, oh wow, my cat, um, I have been laying down, watching, uh, a person on Twitch, um, raising money for Project Waterfall. What this project does is it raises money to give to people who cannot reach any clean water or anything like that. And in the past 24 hours, Scott Kaufman, first he gave $5,000. That was unbelievable of him to do that. And then he gives an extra $25,000 for the waterfall, Project Waterfall. With him and everyone combined, they have already made over $31,000. That's just unbelievable of me to think of that. And right now, you can make a difference. I will give a link to the charity and Project Waterfall. And if you wanna look at this YouTuber on Twitch, his name is Corey X Kinchin, and he's an awesome YouTuber. He's doing this 48-hour live stream, not mostly for money, but to raise money and to find other people. And I tried to ask him if I wanted to put this into YouTube, but for some reason I can't make an account on Twitch. So I'm putting up my duty as a YouTuber because it is really important to me for people to get clean water. And just thanks for Scott. And his unbelievably, Corey, his approximate, what's it called? He only wanted to raise $500, and that is just unbelievable. So I am going to watch the rest of the live stream. I think you guys have about 2 weeks left to make a difference. Again, I'll put the link in the description. I'll see you guys later.